just want to share with you a few reasons why you might want to try doodling. Well, first of all, doodling can help you to focus, especially if you're in an activity that's a little dry. Doodling can help you stay focused and on task. This pattern right here, this squiggly line pattern, is a great way to relieve stress. You can also think about your brain as an amazing organ of your body. What neuroscientists have found out is that when you combine a picture and a word together in your notes, you're more likely to remember. And finally, you can have fun. Break up the monotony of the day, lighten up when you need to.